The Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Pressure Cooker 8.45 QT is a Swiss-engineered kitchen essential, specifically designed to accommodate the needs of a family of 6. Crafted from high-quality 18/10 stainless steel, this model features a spacious 11-inch diameter that provides an expansive cooking surface. This wide base is ideal for searing and browning large cuts of meat or vegetables before the pressure cooking process begins, ensuring that flavors are deeply developed and moisture is effectively locked in for superior results. Efficiency and safety are central to the design of the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Pressure Cooker 8.45 QT. It utilizes a solid thermal aluminum sandwich base to ensure rapid heat absorption and even distribution across all stovetops, including induction. The unit is equipped with a spring-loaded precision valve that offers a visual indicator for pressure levels, allowing for quiet operation without the loud hissing common in traditional models. 5 integrated overpressure safety systems and an automatic locking mechanism provide peace of mind while reducing standard cooking times by up to 70%. Maintaining the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Pressure Cooker 8.45 QT is straightforward due to its durable stainless steel construction and refined metallic finish. The pan is designed to be robust enough for daily use, featuring stay-cool side grips that distribute weight evenly for easy lifting and compact storage. By retaining more vitamins and minerals compared to conventional boiling, this pressure cooker serves as a healthy and environmentally friendly choice for busy households seeking professional-grade performance in their home kitchen. Pros: durable all-steel construction, 5 distinct safety features, lid locking system prevents accidents, extremely fast cooking times, retains delicious food flavors, versatile wide cooking surface, easy to open and close, simple pressure monitoring valve, compact handles for easy storage, works well on induction cooktops, efficient energy and time savings, easy to clean and maintain, ideal for browning large meats, great for double-deck steaming, quiet operation without hissing, consistent professional-grade results, foolproof and beginner-friendly. Cons: height increases 2.5 inches with lid, confusing measurements on manufacturer website. Incomplete dimensions listed online, only fillable to 2/3 capacity. 6 quarts size too small for stock's. 8 quarts shape is impractical and narrow. 8 quarts offers limited utility over 6 quarts to 12 quarts. Model is very heavy. 12 quarts poor for small serving sizes. Small water amounts barely cover bottom. Included rack is only 1/4 inch tall. Plastic handles on competitors may crack. Food dries quickly if not cleaned. Requires learning curve for new users. Price is higher than electric models. Liquid foods take longer to depressurize. Features: Kuhn Rikon Duromatic brand, pressure cooker functionality, 11-inch diameter, 8.45 quart capacity, serves family of 6, wide base for braising. The Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Pressure Cooker 8.45 QT is a Swiss-engineered kitchen essential specifically designed to accommodate the needs of a family of 6. Crafted from high-quality 18/10 stainless steel, this model features a spacious 11-inch diameter that provides an expansive cooking surface. This wide base is ideal for searing and browning large cuts of meat or vegetables before the pressure cooking process begins, ensuring that flavors are deeply developed and moisture is effectively locked in for superior results. The Kuhn Rikon Duromatic 8.45 quart pressure cooker offers a durable, professional-grade stainless steel construction featuring a wide base that is ideal for browning large meats and double-deck steaming on all stovetops, including induction. Users benefit from its quiet operation, rapid cooking times, and a comprehensive 5-point safety system that includes a foolproof lid locking mechanism and a simple pressure monitoring valve, making it a reliable choice for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. However, prospective buyers should consider its premium price point compared to electric models and navigate inconsistent manufacturer dimensions, noting that the unit's height increases significantly with the lid attached. While the wide design excels at brazing and flavor retention, the 2/3 filling limit and the extremely short included rack may necessitate additional accessories, and users must account for longer depressurization times with liquid-heavy dishes and a slight learning curve for heat management.